Well, let's move on now to some other stories. And one of Narendra Modi's central arguments in the years following the Gujarat riots has been that he did nothing to prevent the police from carrying out their duties. That's a fact disputed by the NGO Citizens for Justice and Peace.
Well, that NGO has submitted documents now to the Commission of Inquiry highlighting the number of telephone calls that were made between the Chief Minister's office and top police officers. The allegation being that Modi pressurized the police to look the other way when hundreds of people were being massacred.
The ghost of Gujarat riots is not leaving Narendra Modi anytime soon. This time, the calls made from his office during the riots are under the scanner. The NGO, Citizens for Peace and Justice, has filed an application before the Nanavati panel submitting phone record analysis of 44 persons. The analysis is based on the call records submitted by the then DCP, Rahul Sharma, which have already been placed before the panel. According to it, the CM's office made 15 calls to the police commissioner's office during the riots. The police commissioner did not move out of his office after 11 a.m. 9 people from CM's office were in constant touch with 3 top cops who avoided worst-hit areas. 3 of those 9 people are OP Singh, Harshad Brahmbhatt, PK Mishra. The NGO says key persons from the CMO and influential politicians were present at Meghaninagar and Narol areas on the day of the train burning, while the CM was at Godhra. While the Gulbarg society is in Meghaninagar area, Narol falls in Naroda, the locations of the 2 worst massacres. Officials have told the Nanavati Commission that Gulbarg was undermanned because it was not a traditionally communally sensitive area. Yet it transpires that key persons were found located in these areas.
There is some locational evidence of the confirmation of the meetings that took place at the Chief Minister's residence late in the evening on the 27th. And there was one more meeting that took place with definitely DGP Chakravarti and accused Maya Kotnani attended at between 7 to 8 in the morning on the 28th.
The government says such allegations have no validity, but the commission will hear them next month. In Ahmedabad, Rohit Bhan for NDTV.
Tuba.com